Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Husqvarna file kit. Proper chain maintenance is vital for efficient and safe cutting. A sharp chain reduces effort, improves cutting speed, and extends the life of your chainsaw. This easy method ensures your saw performs at its best, making your work much smoother and more productive. We will cover everything you need to know to keep your chain razor sharp. Before you begin filing, it is crucial to prepare your chainsaw properly. First, secure your saw firmly in a vise or on a stable surface to prevent movement. Next, engage the chain brake to ensure the chain remains stationary and safe. Finally, take a moment to clean the saw chain thoroughly, removing any sawdust, dirt, or old oil. This preparation ensures a safe and effective sharpening process. Now, let's sharpen the cutters. Use the round file from your kit, ensuring it matches your chain's pitch. Place the file in the cutter, maintaining the correct angle, usually 25 or 30 degrees. File with consistent, forward strokes, always pushing away from you. After filing one side, rotate the saw and repeat for the other side. Aim for uniform length on all cutters for balanced cutting. Finally, we adjust the depth gauges. These small ramps control how deep the cutter bites into the wood. Place the depth gauge tool over the cutter, then use the flat file to gently file down the depth gauge until it is flush with the tool's surface. This adjustment is critical for smooth cutting and preventing kickback. Remember to check and adjust these after every few sharpenings for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.